Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So today I have for you guys this long-lasting, quick and easy work makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. If the cups could just chill. Oh, they listened to me. No, they didn't. Alright, hello from my big ass head and me. So today I did some natural brows. I colored them in very softly with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. And then I went over them with the clear brow gel and I did not clean them up. The reason that I'm doing this is because we're not doing any eyeshadow today. I mean, if you want to, you could. Personally, I'm not. And when I feel like when I don't do eyeshadows and I do lashes and I do my brows full glam like I usually do, like they just look like caterpillars and they do not look cute on my face. So yeah, this look is gonna be fairly simple, super easy. Like this is gonna be a perfect look for every time you gotta go to work. So let's get right to it. So to start off, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. I'm going to be using this because it's sweat resistant and humidity resistant, and it's just really long lasting. And this has never let me down on a long day at work when I'm sweaty. So yeah. Time to conceal, and I'm going to be using my favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. I don't like to apply a lot of this concealer because it's very thick and very full coverage, and I don't even feel like I need that much coverage, but I do like my under eyes to be a little brighter. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes and the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. This is my favorite powder ever, my favorite translucent powder. It will make your makeup last a very, very long time. However, I am in the market for a new translucent powder because I just like trying out new things. But at the same time, I don't know if there's anything better out there than Laura Mercier. Like, is that possible? If you guys have any favorite translucent powders, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm just going to pat that in. Oh, you guys, I forgot to bake my smile lines, but that's totally fine. They will last anyways with this foundation and the powder that we put on. If you want to, you can bake them. I'm actually not going to work right now, so I'm not even gonna bother. But if I was going to work, I would bake my smile lines. If you work customer service, you know there's a lot of smiling involved and we don't want our foundation to break up around these areas. But like I said, even if you don't bake them, I think you'll be fine because this foundation and this powder, a perfect mixture. Wow, my skin looks good today. I'm gonna be going in with these lashes that I got from AliExpress. They will be listed down below along with everything else that I'm going to be using in this video. Wow, this is my first time wearing these lashes and they're prettier and they're prettier than I expected them to be. I really like them. So let's move on to bronzer. What is wrong with me today? I can't talk. So let's move on to bronzer, and as per usual, I'm going to be using my Ebates cappuccino bronzer. So I'm gonna go into my Ebates Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm gonna go into this shade called Miami. I'm gonna go in with some Fix Plus. For highlighter, I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe Highlighter. I know this is a little extra because it has glitter and it's like pure gold, but I feel like this look just needs a little something. Personally, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm really into colorful looks and super glam looks, so this for me is very toned down, and I need something that's gonna like be bam. And this is it. This is gonna be in your face, like bam. I'm even gonna apply some up here. Now to add some color back into my skin, I'm gonna go into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium Tan. To finish off this look, I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty Trendsetter Liquid Lipstick. I already lined my lips with the Trendsetter Lip Liner. That is it for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload, and I will see you guys next time.